Hey guys, and welcome back to another super belated Ipsy unboxing video. So we are doing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box for February of 2020 because I need to get on it since we're in May now. And I kind of have a pile of stuff to unbox and start getting into and reviewing, because they're piling up. But anyways, February was a real good month. I forgot that I had so many add-on things in there and just it was a real good month. Now, the little card in this one did not give me any of the product info, so we're just gonna have to wing it, and I'll show you what I got, and that'll have to be good enough, because I don't have any of the additional info currently. So the first thing in here is by a brand called Cella. It says, "Hello, beautiful" on it. I don't know if that's the name of the little mini palette, or if that's part of the brand, or what. Now this is the Vie Neutral Palette. So the colors are Femme, Instincts, Dynamic, and Vitality. But this is what they look like. They're really pretty. We've got 2 mattes and 2 shimmery ones. I'll open it up so you can really get a better look of how the light hits them. I am super stoked for that gold one, let me tell you. But that really white pearlescent one, it's also good as like a highlighter. I'm pretty sure, like up on the brow bone especially, it looks like it'd be really great. Not sure how I feel about the other two. I'm still trying to figure out how to wear more neutral and nude tones, so we'll have to find out, but still, at least the 2 shiny ones, I'm like, ooh, those are pretty. I can't wait to wear those. So I got that. I also got... This is by Ofra, and it's another one of the Madison Miller collabs. Let me get this open, because it is really like sealed shut on this one. I think this one might be a blush. I think prior to now, I've basically only gotten highlighters. Yeah, this one's a blush, and I could not pass it up when I saw the name of the color. Now, while this may look dark for me, I think if I go light-handedly, it might be okay. But the color name, All You Need Is Love. I was like, oh my god, it's so perfect as a Beatles fan. I could not pass that up. So that it's got a little bit of shimmer in there, but ultimately, it looks very pretty. I've had blush about this shade before, and if you go with a light sweeping touch, it can work on a pale skin tone, so I'm not too worried about that. I've also got by Bell & Argent Auteur Matte lip color in 3 plays. So this color, it's another one that's in one of the square tubes that look really cool. Like, look how pretty, how bougie that looks. Very Art Deco. Now the actual shade, it is kind of a nude shade, but I mean, it might work on me, maybe it won't. I'm not sure yet, because I haven't tried it. Let's see how it smells. It literally has no scent, not even just the generic lipstick scent, so okay, whatever. But, oh yeah, these are the ones that they have the little magnets in the caps. Check that. I'm letting go. Yeah, it like seals itself. That's so cool. Anyways, I'm way too easily amused, guys, in case you have not noticed. But I think that could be a decent color on, maybe. If not, I give it to my mom. But anyways, I've also got... So this is from a brand called Feel. And this is in Harmony. It is a rose petal facial mask. And it's an ultra concentrated toning gel, which I'm really excited for if it smells like roses too, because I like all the floral stuff. It looks like just cleanse your face with warm water, dry thoroughly, apply the mask to your dry face, leave on for 10 minutes, rinse off, and dry. So easy enough, but I'm very, very excited for that. The more I've been reading about skincare lately, it's like people with naturally oily skin or combination skin, gels are supposedly really good, so this could be a fabulous thing to use. I'm very happy with everything I've gotten so far. Now this is by Wander Beauty, and it's Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. This is, I think, only the second time I've ever received foundation from Ipsy in all the years that I've been a member there. But it does look, it might work for me. I mean, I have so much pink across my cheeks that it seems too dark, but I'm like, when I'm looking down here, it might be okay. Then again, it might be a touch too light. We'll have to see how it is on, but it's in the color Fair, which, yeah, I'm very fair, as we can tell. But yeah, weightless fluid foundation formulated for full coverage with a natural radiant finish. Designed with a doe foot applicator. Wait, what? What? With a doe foot applicator to deliver seamless coverage wherever you wander, enriched with niacinamide and lotus flower to improve skin's radiance. I'm going to be honest, I have hardly ever even bought foundation in my life. I've bought it like a few times ever, and then very rarely actually bothered with it. And of the times I've bought it, a lot of them have been powder format. There was like one bottle that I bought that was a liquid, but you just like poured it out on your finger. So I'm like, wait, this has a doe foot applicator? What? So I'm like, is that like a standard thing that I've been missing out on? I totally thought this was just gonna be a little squeeze tube. Oh, that trips me out, honestly. That's cool. So there's that. This is Il Maquillage Ink Liner in black. I probably said that totally wrong, but that's okay. So, whoop. I believe this is full size. It seems short to me, but then again, it's an eyeliner, not a full-on pencil. I have to remind myself of this often. It's got a very, very fine pointy tip there. See? Over a white background, you can see. I'm very excited to see how it works. Anyways, not much to say there without any info to read about it, unfortunately. Because it says literally nothing on it except for the ingredients and the name. So then, I was pretty excited I was able to get the Violet Voss Berry Burst Fun-Sized Eyeshadow Palette. And those are the shades. I'll open it up, though, to like show you in person, because I know a lot of times with palettes, how it looks on the box does not always match up with real life. Let's just slice through that little sticker there. Okay. Oop. Come on, open up. I want to see you. Woo! So far, it all just looks... Oh, those are... Yeah, they definitely look different than they did on the box, but actually I think they look prettier in person. So, let me take... Well, actually, that's... Yeah, that's gonna fall off if I move it. But I'm gonna hold this over the mirror just so it doesn't blind you from the light. But yeah, that's what they look like in person. They're so pretty. Look at those. I really like every single one in there. But I'm surprised that actually the one I'm the most drawn to is that lightest pink shimmery one in the corner, down here. I'm not sure how that'll look on, but just looking at it in the palette so far, I feel the most excited for it, but I'm excited to wear all of these, honestly. But wait, there's more. That was not the only palette I received. But this was a bonus one I paid for, so. But the one that was just included as is with the box, not as a bonus. As a knitter, this packaging makes me so very happy to look at. It's so pleasing to me. I'm like, hey, I can do cable knits like that in real life. But this is by Dominique Cosmetics. And the colors are all, like, sweater inspired. We've got Sweater Weather, Fuzzy, Toasty, Cuddle, Chill, and Messy Bun. I'm like, those are so cute. And it's not just the box! Even the palette itself has that slightly texturized knitted pattern over it. I'm like, oh my god, I love it so much. So much. So I'm again going to cover up the little mirror that's in there. These colors are actually a bit paler than they looked on the box, but that's okay. These all look very pretty as well. So I'm really stoked for that purple. Like, really, though. I'm not sure how it'll actually look on, but I'm still very excited. And then we've got finally, actually, the bag is in the bottom. I forgot to show you the bag. Compared to the regular Ipsy Glam bag that was all velour-y, this is texturized metallic fake leather, or like snakeskin or something, which is also very pretty, and I like the color. This looks more like rose gold because it's metallic, so I love that. But anyway, the last, I was going to say 2, but apparently 3 things in there. These all came together. We've got some sheet masks, which make me so happy. These are by a brand called Sweet Chef. We've got a Beet and Vitamin A fresh pressed sheet mask, which refines pores and smooths rough skin. We've got a Ginger and Vitamin C fresh pressed sheet mask, which brightens dark spots and uneven tone. Oh wait, I missed this. Selfie approved, Beat of my heart. Oh, that's so cute. And then the Ginger one says, "Oh, Ginger Snap" in the corner. Oh, I love it. And then the last one is Kale and Vitamin B fresh pressed. Hydrates and soothes dry skin. And this one is Don't Kale My Vibe. I love them. They are so cute. But yeah, like I said, February was a very good month for me with Ipsy. I am very, very pleased with every single thing I got. So, anyway guys, that's it for this one. So as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye bye.